Hello, fellow trading and investing fanatics. Today, we're going to go over UWMC earnings. So yesterday, they reported their earnings and the guidance moving forward for the rest of the year. And I'm pretty excited about what they announced. So let's head over to check out the investor presentation. So obviously, they did 860 million in the quarter 2021. In net income, 49.1 billion. It's a lot. So one of the things that I really like is the thing that they announced that they're going to do like a share buyback. So basically meaning they're going to have less shares in the stock market and in turn makes our existing shares a bit more valuable. But they're not going to do that right like all at once. But they're going to do that, I believe it's over the course of the next year or two. It's a 300 million share buyback, right? Over the course of, the plan will end on May 11, 2023. So 2 years, right? In the span of 2 years, they will do that. So this is a very good sign, right? So they're anticipating that the second quarter production will be 51 to 55 billion range, which is really good. And yep, that's pretty much the key stuff that you will need to know. So let's head over to the charts and see where our UWMC is doing. So now before we get into charts, I have a position here. I have 200 shares of UWMC at, I'm a certified bag holder at $11.49, right? But I did sell covered calls to handle my cost basis down. So I'm currently at 824. And I also hedged a little bit buying the $6 covered call. But right now it's underwater, so I don't have a problem rolling to the later date or like a higher strike price, maybe 7 or 8 later on. And we have a dividend coming on. So anyways, we had a huge spike today despite the market going down. And actually, we're not really out of the woods in terms of price action. We made a lower low, right? We haven't made a higher high since March 4th. We have been in this extended downtrend. So this report's really good. I think it's really lucrative for people to buy them right now because the dividend yield is right around, at this price, is maybe like 5.5%, give or take. Now, the thing is, if we do see a strong price movement outwards to like $8 or more, and actually we break the previous highs, we come back down and make a new low, then I might consider thinking about getting another 100 shares. But since my portfolio is not that big and I don't want to have a large position, because this is based off like a $10,000 account, right? So if I were to buy another stack, there will be something like around 20% of the account or more. So it will be a bit too much. So even though I really want to, but it's 13% right now. So if I buy another 100 stacks, I'll be at 20%. So that's probably the max I would want in a stock for my portfolio. So anyways, we have a huge bounce. And right now, I think if we, like I said, we can break above, then it'd be great. But if not, we see another sell-off, maybe back down to $7 or maybe even lower, then, it means like the demand's not there yet. But over the course of the year, we'll have better times. Right now, I think they're not like a Wall Street darling. So until they actually get into the Russells, I believe. Now, don't quote me on this one. I believe I read it online that they are going to be in the Russells by May or June or something like that. I need to double check that. But anyways, in the meantime, don't panic. This is not, they're not going anywhere. They won't go bankrupt. They're doing really well. It's just right now we're in a terrible market and there's no demand for it yet. So it'll be good. Right now, if we look at the indices, we're actually right at support on the uptrend. Now, it'll be interesting to see how price reacts tomorrow. If we actually sell more, then, we might come back down here to the $300 range for the tech. And if we look at the Russells, which is the key one, because this is what UWMC will be on. So they also going through a correction right now. So we'll see. If they come back down here, it's also not too bad, right? I'm not sure if UWMC will actually go down as much based on the current price, but anything could happen. So you just have to keep a lookout on it. I'll be obviously looking at it, and I will be doing more videos on UWMC if there's some news or anything special that they're coming out with, and I'll keep you guys updated. So that is the video. Hopefully this will really give you some extra information, and I hope you guys have a great day. I will talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.